Hey everyone, this is Ben with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate dorsiflexion and plantar flexion, which are special movements involving the foot and ankle joint. Now, to help you understand this movement, let's break down the words. Dorsal refers to the back or upper side of something. In my video on directional terms, I use the example of a dorsal fin of a dolphin to help me remember that dorsal refers to the back side or upper side of a surface. Your toenails, for example, are on the dorsal side of the foot. In contrast, plantar refers to the sole or bottom of the foot. If you've ever had a plantar wart, then you've had a wart right there on the sole of your foot. And then flexion in anatomy just refers to a movement that decreases the angle between two surfaces. Now let's put those words together and you will totally understand this movement. During dorsiflexion, the back or upper side of the foot moves toward the shin, decreasing the angle between these two surfaces, leaving the toes pointing a little bit closer to the head. And yes, I know I have tan lines on my feet. Don't judge. When you try to walk on your heels only, you dorsiflex the foot. And in Nurse Sarah's preeclampsia and eclampsia review, she used dorsiflexion to assess for ankle clonus. During plantar flexion, the sole of the foot moves toward the calf, decreasing the angle between those two surfaces, leaving the toes pointing away from the body. When you perform calf raises in the gym or walk on your tippy toes, you plantar flex the foot. And in her posturing review, Nurse Sarah showed an example of decerebrate posturing during which plantar flexion occurs. Okay, that wraps up this quick review over dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. You can take a free quiz on our website by clicking the link down in the comment section or description below. In addition, we have a whole playlist of anatomy videos. You might want to check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.